Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm coming to you with another talk show, okay? Okay, so this one is why I started a YouTube channel. Why I started a YouTube channel. I haven't talked to you about why I started a YouTube channel since my first video, and that was over 2 years ago. So I thought I would just remind you, or for those who maybe wasn't around then, and my new subscribers, for you to know why I started a YouTube channel. And by the way, so you'll know, I'm very happy that I did. This makes me absolutely happy. And I thank you all, you guys, for supporting me and being with me and following me. And I want you to give yourself a hand, because I couldn't have did it without you. Okay, so here goes. Why I started my YouTube channel. I wanted to bring my experiences to everyone. How I cook, how I prep the food, how I explain it to you, how I shop for food, how I try to cut the price on shopping and show you how to get a package of meat and break that down so you can get many meals, how to feed a family of 4 for a small amount of expense, those things, right? How to cut your food budget, how to cut your household budget, and my talk shows, because I have a lot to say and I have a lot to share, and I think that some of my thoughts can help many people. Okay, I wanted to share me and all I have to offer, and I mean that. If it's something that I know how to do, I want to share that with you. Like, for instance, how to use tea in the place of medicine to help solve some physical problems, or how to take something and take a little and make a lot, or how to cook beef or chicken, that sort of thing, or use all the equipment that I use, the air fryer, the pressure cooker, and what are the benefits of those, and the stove, and the Ninja, and that sort of thing. Okay, I wanted to express my point of view. Now that's usually when I say the word of the day or the talk show. So when I give the word of the day, what I'm trying to do is give you something to think about. Maybe that subject is you. Maybe that subject makes you think. Maybe that subject is somebody else you know. Maybe that's the word that you needed to hear that day. Give you food for thought, okay? Because sometimes we don't hear a word of the day because, you might be hearing just the news that, or maybe you're talking on the phone, and so you need something to stimulate you for you to say, oh, I can relate to that, or that's me, or oh, that's a good idea. Just food for thought. I just bring it to the table. I don't try to make anyone do anything. My job is to bring it to the table, and if you would like to eat, you eat. Okay. Also, the talk shows is similar to the word of the day, except I go in full of depth on things, and that's what I like to do. First, when I thought about doing this YouTube channel, I thought about just cooking, even though I said I wanted to do other things. My main focus when I first started was just cooking, but it was so much in me when I started reading the comments and stuff like that called me out to go ahead and go further and go further. And I have plans to go even further, okay? So I just wanted you to know that. I started to give the word of the day as a food for thought. I said that just now. I wanted to teach others food preparation and cooking, because everybody, believe it or not, don't know how to cook, and those who do know how to cook you know, it's good for them to see another idea, another way, right? Because we all look for improvement or a different way or idea. And so that's what I wanted to bring to the table, okay? Okay, I wanted to show love in every way. Now that's a big one for me. You know, my thing is I need to show love to people so people feel love, and in return you guys show me love back. Like when you comment, when you watch the channel, when you subscribe, that's showing love back, and we all need that so that we all can feel love. And so that's one of the things I definitely love to do, is show love. And when I get ready to go on YouTube, believe me when I tell you, it's all about love for you guys, because even if I'm tired, I'm trying my best to deliver to you because I'm trying to show love. And I try to show that every single day. I try to load up every day to show you love. Okay. I wanted to help and serve others. Now that's a biggie for me. Serving others is big. So you say, well, Rachel, how did you serve? I serve by preparing the food. I serve by communication. I serve by talking to you. I serve by giving the word of the day. I serve by giving a talk show. And I serve by showing up. Okay? That's a great thing that I like to do for you. Okay? I wanted to help others with their financial struggles with bills, grocery, and life. So when I come on and I give you financial advice, or your bills, or how to cut the grocery bill down, or cut the cord on the cable, or anything like that, it's because I'm trying to help you. And if it helped me, it'll help you. And we all need to save as much as we possibly can so that we can then grow, okay? So that's what I try to do each and every day. I want to bring it to you. I want to bring it to you, okay? I wanted to give others recipes to follow. So I have over, I think, around 300 videos now, different recipes, so that anything that you could think of that you would like to learn how to cook, I believe that I have quite a bit on there, and that you can follow that. I give you step-by-step instructions. I show you every step of the way. I don't rush through it, so that you can at least pick up on it. You have time to write things down, and so that you can depend on me. So you can say, oh, I wonder what Rachel's doing today, or I wonder what talk show she's doing today. Okay? I like bringing that to you. I wanted to share my life, time, and hope with you. So, you know, my hopes in the future is to try to grow this YouTube channel, and I would appreciate it if you guys continue to help me to grow this channel, help me to share these videos, help me to subscribe, help me and continue to watch the videos so that I can grow for you as you can grow for me. I wanted to read the comments that you guys give me, and so that I can comment back. Let me tell you, some of the comments are just really great, and sometimes am able to get to know you guys on a different level when I read the comments, and I appreciate those. And please keep them coming, because that's your communication between you and I. And some people may not answer you back, but I try to answer people back, because I think if you took your time out to write to me, I can take my time out to answer you back. That's my gift to you. Okay? I want it to be a avenue you could comment to and get feedback. And as you know, I do that. Okay? I wanted to teach others how to cook, even if they don't. I received a comment from one of my subscribers, and the person said that when they got divorced, they didn't know how to cook anything. They was eating TV dinners, And from watching my videos, he now knows how to cook. And he thanked me for that. And that is the kind of stuff that really makes me feel proud when I can help somebody like that. And so that's why I'm here. I'm here doing my job. You know, we're all here on this earth to to do something to make somebody's life different. And this is one of my chores for me, to bring it so that I can make life different for you. I wanted to encourage others who want to start their own YouTube channel. So I just want to encourage anybody that's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, that might want to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you've already started a YouTube channel and you're struggling and you haven't gotten there yet. Hang in there, you know, keep putting the effort out and you will get there. You know, don't do it halfway, go all the way, because when you go all the way, the rewards are there. If you don't, then you don't feel encouraged. People don't know when you're going to show up, and so that could be a problem if you start out and you're not growing. You know, you can't do it once in a while. You got to do it on a regular basis. You know, when you turn on, like, let's say you're going to watch, I don't know, All My Children. That's just something came to my head. You know, All My Children came on Monday through Friday. And so you got to be like that, so that when people look for you, they know you're going to be there. Okay? That's very, very important in growing your YouTube channel. Okay? If you have a talent, you can have a YouTube channel. You can encourage others if you have a YouTube channel. You may have a product that you want to sell or introduce. You can do that if you have a YouTube channel. And only you can speak for you and make your own dreams come true. Only you can speak for you and make your dreams come true. I can't do it. No one else can. Only you. So if you think you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead. I encourage you. If you don't want to start a YouTube channel and you want to continuously to support Grandma Ray, thank you. I encourage you. And if you want to just sit back and just watch the videos, I welcome that. Okay, so on that note, I've given all the encouragement and incentives that I can, and I've updated and let you know my commitment going forward to you. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing, caring, and give it a thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe. Check out my links below. I have a Gofundme and a Patreon if you would like to support this channel in any way. So until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.